This is part 1 of 8 of Lake Louise. It's my first hike, my first time filming. I move my head too much. I do improve this as the summer goes on, so I hope you enjoy part 1 of Lake Louise.
I hope I can get this on camera, but yeah, the map. Ants. Okay, yeah. All right. Supposedly this will be 3.2 miles. Unless I get lost, then it's more. Okay, this just connects, oh boy, I believe that just connects to the other trail, and it's right here, so onward. This is my first time recording on this GoPro well, this is my first trail I've ever recorded. So if the wind is bad, or if it's shaky or weird, or my pace is too fast or too slow, I'll attempt to remedy it in the next ones, because I've heard that these GoPros have pretty poor sound quality in the wind. If that's the case, maybe I'll just put some lovely nature sounds and mute the wind sound here. There was just a really epic rainstorm here. A lot of the campgrounds flooded. So now all the birds are singing and locusts are chirping, I guess. Mile marker. Oh, wow. Okay, there's a sign here. Hopefully I can get it at the right angle. Natural skyscraper. Notice the different levels of vegetation in this area. Each level is like a different floor in a tall building. Different insects, birds, and animals each prefer their own floor. Habitat is the word for the natural home of a plant or animal. Let's check out the skyscraper habitat. Interesting.
That concludes part 1 of 8 of Lake Louise. It was the first trail of the summer and the first trail of my life. I remember it very well. It was 98 degrees and just an absolutely beautiful trail. I will add all these to a playlist so they are easy to find, and I hope that you enjoyed hiking Lake Louise.